Craig. 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 Guess what? I don't know what I was gonna say after that. But I hope you're feeling better. You need to get better. You shouldn't be sick anymore. Hello. I don't feel bad. I feel a little better. Still really back off. That's how I feel. Right there. Kind of. Not really. No. I don't feel like that. Yo. Are you at work today? I hope not, because I just found this terrifying thing. Oh my god. What is wrong? And back to normal. My face is sideways. I'm a monster. I will eat your soul.